Train approaching.
Okay, I still have to set up my
Please remain
tripod.
behind yellow line.
Thanks.
Come quick.
Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line.
Thanks, Dad.
Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line.
Perfect.
Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line.
What?
Me too.
Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line. Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line.
What?
This is great height.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's in here.
Yeah, the cake boss sucks, man. Yeah. Holy crap, where did that come from? Oh my god! I don't even think that was on the schedule. Holy crap!
No, those things move. I don't know what their schedule is. Those things move.
I mean, I have the like Northeast Regional schedule in the car, but like that wasn't even supposed to come.
Would you ever thought we would have had this technology
Oh,
when
I
we
know.
were younger? I'm amazed. Like cell phones, these things.
Yeah, it's P42.
Alright, here comes
Train
66.
approaching. Please remain
Yeah.
behind yellow line.
This is sick.
I'm backing up.
Like all the time.
Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line.
Oh yeah, P42.
Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line. Train approaching.
going
Please
kinda
remain
slow.
behind yellow line.
Yeah, that's a P42.
Yup.
You're right.
Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow
Sick.
line.
Oh my god. Holy crap, that thing is sick! Oh my god! That thing is sick!
Smell it?
Yeah?
Woo!
First I thought that was you. No, I'm kidding. That thing is awesome.
Woo!
I'm gonna try to put that on YouTube right when we get home.
And that was a special train. I
Yeah.
saw the baggage car. There was a second car on it.
Yeah, and the P42. No, it's actually like the first car. You can see it going around the corner right now. Sick. That is cool. I think this is the MBTA. Yep, it is. It's like an F40. No, it's a Jeep. What are you doing? I think we might be able to get some horn.